Starting around 12 October 2023, torrential slide explicitly is exchanging at $9.01 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.01% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which is very huge. Avax generally has a complete market cap of $3,196,636,448, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $120,552,076, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. This in a real sense makes torrential slide, Avax, truly positioning at 22 in the digital money market, which generally is very critical. In the event that is torrential slide a genuinely wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Avax cost explicitly outperform its untouched by and large high in an especially huge manner? These especially are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost truly is supposed to explicitly cross an extremely normal value level of $14.49, the normal pretty least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to especially be $13.85, or so they for the most part thought. Besides, Avax can in a real sense arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $16.26 in an unpretentious manner. Avax value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide in every practical sense is gauged to be at around in every practical sense, least worth of $12.11. For the most part further appearance how this truly makes torrential slide, Avax, exceptionally positioning at 22 in the digital currency market in every practical sense, significant way. The torrential slide value worth can basically arrive at a truly limit of $13.77, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars, or so they in a real sense thought. Torrential slide, Avax, value conjecture September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for September 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a kind of least worth of $13.14, while the especially greatest gauge cost by and large is around $14.30 in a quite enormous manner. The kind of typical cost for Avax by and large is especially anticipated to generally reach $13.65 in September 2023 amazingly. Torrential slide value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide generally is supposed to by and large be at around a genuinely least of $13.29, showing how additionally Avax can sort of arrive at a most extreme value level of $16.26, or so they in a real sense thought. Torrential slide cost can in a real sense arrive at a very limit of $14.85, with the for the most part normal cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for torrential slide could generally stretch around $15.55 in a fundamentally significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 in every practical sense is $13.57 with a very normal cost of $14.20 in a huge manner. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost especially is supposed to especially reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023. While the especially normal cost of Avax for the December certainly remains around $14.49 torrential slide kind of past value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been generally diminished by 4.14% in its really current worth, which in a real sense shows that these for the most part are our torrential slide cost forecasts for Avax's future, which basically is very huge. Assuming we really look at the very current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap sort of is likewise down in a truly significant manner. Torrential slide basically is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, so Avax value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide generally is determined to generally be at around a very least worth of $12.11. Certainly further appearance how this especially makes torrential slide, Avax, sort of positioning at 22 in the digital money market, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Avax explicitly is down to nearly 11.83% in the especially most recent 7 days, showing how starting around 12 October 2023 torrential slide generally is exchanging at $9.01 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.01% in most recent 1 hour in a by and large huge manner. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for in every practical sense. Past lovely few days, the coin could truly have in every practical sense solid basics at the same time. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in certainly present moment, which certainly is very critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax truly diminished by 57.564%. Taking out an incredible certainly normal amount of $12.23 from its really current worth in a kind of enormous manner. This unexpected down really implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a sort of good, especially purchase an open door for by and large speedy interest amazingly. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 49.33%, and the cost fundamentally coursed from a by and large least truly normal cost of $16.54 to especially greatest pretty normal cost of $18.27 in the beyond 90 days incredibly. Torrential slide fundamentally is somewhere near 25.39% with the extremely greatest truly normal cost of the coin, especially was around $11.78. And the truly least lovely typical value of was around $11.56 in genuinely beyond 4 months, so Avax value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide explicitly is estimated to basically be at around a very least worth of $12.11. Pretty further appearance how this truly makes torrential slide, Avax, certainly positioning at 22 in the digital money market in a huge way. Torrential slide value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be torrential slide pretty worth in 2023, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The Avax cost essentially is determined to truly arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $16.26, with exceptionally least cost of $13.85 toward the finish of 2023 in a by and large huge manner. Torrential slides especially have a future in a genuinely significant manner. As far as value, torrential slide truly has a remarkable kind of potential to in every practical sense arrive at new levels, so torrential slide, Avax value expectation 2023 as per the torrential slide figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost in every practical sense is supposed to especially cross an exceptionally normal value level of $14.49. The normal truly least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to especially be $13.85 in an unpretentious manner. It generally is figure that Avax will increment in a